Replacing door handles can refresh the look of your doors and is easy to do yourself. There are a variety of door handle styles to choose from, but keep in mind which way your door opens, as this may affect your decision. Unscrew the faceplate of the old hardware. Then, remove the handles from either side of the door. Unscrew the old latch bolt. Then, replace it with the new one. The old handle may have left marks on your door, so touch up the paint and leave the door to dry. Meanwhile, replace the strike plate on the door jamb. Use the retaining screws provided with the new handle. Once the door has dried, insert the lock tailpiece through the latch bolt mechanism and insert the screws to tighten the handle in place. Test the handle to ensure it moves in tandem with the latch. Your doors now have a fresh new look. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. Here's a reminder of the tools and material you'll need to complete this project.